Thailand is renowned for its delicious and unique cuisine, which is a blend of spicy, sour, sweet, and salty flavors, from mouth-watering curries to crispy street food. There are so many delicious Thai dishes that you should try during your visit to the Land of Smiles. Here are some of the best Thai foods to try in Thailand. Tom Yum Goong. This spicy and sour shrimp soup is a classic Thai dish that is popular around the world. Made with lemongrass, chili, kaffir lime leaves, galangal, and fresh herbs, this soup is full of bold flavors that will tantalize your taste buds. Pad Thai, a popular street food dish. Pad Thai is a stir-fried noodle dish that is sweet, salty, and savory. Made with rice noodles, eggs, tofu, shrimp, or chicken, and vegetables, this dish is often served with peanuts, lime, and chili flakes on the side. Green curry. One of Thailand's most famous curries, the green curry is a creamy and aromatic dish made with coconut milk, green curry paste, and a mix of meat, seafood, or vegetables. Served with steamed rice, this dish is a must-try for all curry lovers. Masaman curry. Another popular dish in Thailand is the masaman curry, which has a milder taste than the green curry. Made with potatoes, peanuts, onions, and meat or chicken, this curry is often served with rice or flatbread. Som tam, a popular Thai salad. Som tam is a spicy and sour salad made with shredded unripe papaya, tomatoes, peanuts, and chili. This refreshing salad is perfect for hot and humid days in Thailand. Mango sticky rice. For a sweet treat, try mango sticky rice, a traditional Thai dessert made with sticky rice, coconut milk, and ripe mango slices. This dessert is rich and creamy and is perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth. These are just a few of the many delicious Thai dishes that you should try during your visit to Thailand. So be sure to explore the street food stalls and unique restaurants to discover more of Thailand's unique and mouth-watering cuisines. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe to get updated for our future videos.